All right, hi. We're going to be reviewing the Winees portable LED light or lamp. Unbox it right now. Comes with the user manual. It comes with the light itself. It's very slim, super sleek. Great little look to it. It does come with a charging cord. Let me take that out so I can show you the cord itself. So it is a Type-C charging cord. You can see that. So it just plugs in right here. Oh, and it turns on the other side. You have three brightness levels. Here's the power button, if you can see that. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on for you. That's its brightest level, second brightest, lowest, and then off. We turn the lights off for a second. All right, so here is a good example of how bright it is in the dark. And then here's your second brightest and lowest. You turn it back on. So it comes ready charged and ready to go. I would probably go ahead and plug it in for a little while too. So you will need to have a charger for your wall to plug it in. It actually looks like a fairly nice length cord. I'd say it's probably about 3 feet in length, so that's a pretty good decent size cord. My daughter is actually going to use this, so we're going to go up to her room and she's going to tell you about it.